First, go to the official Cliproxy website. Hover your mouse over your account name and click Dashboard to enter. Click on Traffic Plan from the left-hand menu to switch plans. If you need to use a sub-account for extraction, click here to create a sub-account. Enter the username, password, and the amount of traffic this sub-account is allowed to use, then click Confirm to complete the setup. Next, filter the IP information you need to extract and choose the session type. There are two connection modes available, Sticky IP and Rotating IP. If you choose Sticky IP, you'll need to set the duration for each IP session, with a maximum limit of 120 minutes. If you choose Rotating IP, a new IP will be automatically assigned at the start of each session. After that, you can select the forwarding port based on your business needs, either US forwarding or EU forwarding. Here, you can also choose the account to use. The sub-account you just created will be displayed in this list. Below that, you can select your preferred connection type, HTTPS or SOCKS 5. Once all the settings are configured, choose the field order and the number of IPs to generate. Then click Generate to complete the process. Copy the generated fields below and paste them into your workflow for use. At the bottom, we also provide application examples in different programming languages for your reference.